Bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. Bacteria can be found anywhere, including extreme habitats like hot springs, deserts, and deep oceans. Different bacteria synthesize their food in different ways. Some of them are autotrophs. That is, they synthesize their own food from inorganic substrates. However, a majority of them are heterotrophs. That is, instead of synthesizing their own food, they depend on other organisms or dead organic matter for food. Based on their shape, bacteria can be classified into 4 types: the spherical coccus, the rod-shaped bacillus, the vibrio, which is in the shape of a comma, and the spiral spirulum. There are thousands of different eubacteria or true bacteria. They are characterized by the presence of a rigid cell wall and, if motile, a flagellum. Cyanobacteria, commonly known as blue-green algae, are examples of eubacteria. They are unicellular, filamentous algae that live in colonies. Their colonies are usually surrounded by gelatinous sheaths. Bacteria can be divided into autotrophs as well as heterotrophs. Autotrophs can further classified into photosynthetic autotrophs and chemosynthetic autotrophs. Like plants, cyanobacteria have chlorophyll A, and they are, like them, photosynthetic autotrophs. That is, they synthesize their food by using light energy. Did you know cyanobacteria like nostoc and anabina can also fix atmospheric nitrogen in their specialized cells called heterocysts? Chemosynthetic autotrophs oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates or ammonia and use the energy released for ATP production. They help in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. On the other hand, heterotrophic bacteria are decomposers. They help us make curd, fix nitrogen in legumes, and produce antibiotics. They can also cause harm by damaging crops. And some diseases like typhoid, tetanus, and cholera are known to be caused by bacteria. Bacteria reproduce by fission. They can also reproduce sexually by a primitive DNA transfer from one bacterium to another through the pilus. Under unfavorable conditions, bacteria produce spores. Apart from eubacteria, there are special bacteria called archaebacteria that live in extreme conditions. For example, halophiles live in extreme salty areas. Thermoacidophiles live in hot springs, while methanogens live in marshy areas. Methanogens are also present in the gut of ruminant animals as cows and buffaloes. These bacteria are responsible for the production of methane, also referred to as biogas, from the dung of these cattle. All archaebacteria have a different cell wall structure than other bacteria, which helps them to survive in extreme conditions. Unlike eubacteria and archaebacteria, mycoplasmas are the bacteria that do not have a cell wall. They are also smallest living beings ever known who can survive without oxygen. They are pathogenic in animals and plants. Kingdom Monera, therefore, consists of eubacteria, archaebacteria, and mycoplasmas.